the word question. To inquire or seek information. Ask a question, answer a question, pose a question. He asked a question about the project timeline. I will answer your question during the meeting. Then she posed a question regarding the new policy, a topic or subject being considered. Raise a question, discuss a question, address a question. The board raised a question about the budget allocation. And let's discuss the question of employee benefits next. May address the question of sustainability in the meeting, a matter of doubt or uncertainty. No question, beyond question, raise questions. There's no question that she is the best candidate for the job, and his performance is beyond question. He's outstanding. The decision raised questions about the company's strategy, a problem or issue that needs to be solved, difficult question, moral question, question of ethics. When he posed a difficult question about the company's future plans. A moral question surrounding the case was debated for hours. And there's a question of ethics in how the funds are being used.